Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. And the moment you guys all been waiting, as you can see in the previous video, Apollo opened the box. Now we're gonna do the official unboxing of the sensecap. But guys, I ended up getting this one actually from eBay. I didn't wait 6 months to a year to receive it. Brand new, fresh, like if it was a sneaker drop. So here we go. Boom! Your handy dandy instructions. It's literally plug and play. Plug power, connected to the internet. Download the Helium wallet app. Write down and save your 12 words secure in a secure place. Because if you lose that password, then you can't get access to your wallet, and then if you can't get access to your wallet, then you can't get access to your HNT, and if you can't get access to your HNT, then that means that you can't get access to your money that you worked so hard for, and that defeats the purpose of what we're doing here. So you will simply plug that in back there. Plug in the power. Boom. Connect the Wi-Fi to it. And it's literally as simple as that. And then you're ready to go. You're ready to Helium mine. If you guys have any comments, post them below the video, and I'll answer your questions. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe for more Helium tips and tricks. And we're trying to get these. I have a goal that I'm trying to get at least one Helium miner a week. That's my goal. And then if I can do the compounding effect, where one miner pays off the next miner, and the next miner pays off the next miner, next thing you know, if I keep going with that strategy, I'll have like 100 of them. Right now I have 9. Anybody else can do it. I started with 1. Matter of fact, I started with a free one from Emirate, and I still got that. I got 18 of them from Emirate, and I'm building passive with that. All I'm saying is, guys, Helium mining, it's a good way to make passive. I'm on my number 9 Helium hotspot, and so far things is great. The max witnesses I seen on the map was 55. I'm earning about 0.8 of a Helium a day, which is like, at the prices that it is now, like roughly $18 a day from the hotspots. Some of them are still, they got little issues. Internet goes up, goes down, signal loss, weather, rain, snow. There's a lot of limiting factors that can, change the results in this. But as long as you get them going and going and going and going, and you don't stop, and you got a dream to achieve, I believe that you will achieve. Like and subscribe, Rozzy Grow.